In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall a sent email in Gmail. We've all been there. You click send and then immediately notice a typo, or maybe you sent the message to the wrong recipient. Fortunately, Gmail offers a handy feature that can save the day if you're quick enough to act. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to recall an email in Gmail. First, navigate to your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the upper right corner where you'll find the Settings gear icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Once inside the Settings menu, you'll want to locate the General tab. This is where a lot of Gmail's core functionalities can be found, including email recall, which Google officially terms Undo Send. Within the General settings, scroll down until you spot Undo Send. This setting allows you to choose the cancellation period, giving you a window of time to retract an email after it's been sent. You have 4 options: 5, 10, 20, and 30 seconds. For maximum flexibility and to keep your options open, I'd recommend setting this to the full 30 seconds. That way, you maximize the time you can change your mind after hitting send. Remember to scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This ensures that your new settings are applied. It's a small but crucial step. Otherwise, your changes won't take effect. Now, let's see this in action. Compose a new email, enter the recipient's address, subject line, and the email body as you normally would. Upon clicking send, immediately look at the bottom left of your screen. You'll notice a small notification that says Message Sent, along with an Undo option right next to it. This notification only appears for as long as you set it in your settings, so keep an eye on it. If you change your mind within this period, click Undo. When you undo an email, Gmail will retrieve it before it's delivered to the recipient, allowing you to edit or completely discard it if necessary. This feature is incredibly handy for correcting mistakes or message recalls, providing a safety net for the occasional error. And there you have it, a simple but incredibly useful feature to enhance your Gmail experience and prevent those email mishaps. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it saves you some potential embarrassment in the future. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on maximizing your productivity with digital tools like Gmail.